So the job we're going to tackle today is we're going to replace this battery tray that has broken, and where it's broken is the little plastic lugs that the battery tie down is bolted onto, and they've got this little metal eyelet that just pulls straight through the plastic, which happened to me on a trip. And as you can see here, I've used a $5 strap from Bunnings just to hold that down, and that lasted the rest of the trip, as well as making it all the way across the Simpson Desert. So tried and tested, but today is the day that we are going to replace it. This is a closer look. You can see where that is broken through down there, and the strap, the run up through here to keep this whole show on the road. What you're going to need to do this job, obviously you're going to need a new tray. You're going to need a 10mm and a 12mm socket, and then depending on what your battery terminal sizes are, on mine is a 13mm, so I've got a 13mm socket, and you're going to need a 12mm spanner for your battery tie down. The first thing we're going to do, because these two batteries are tied together, I'm going to isolate this battery from this battery, from the circuit breaker here. I really love these Bussmann on-terminal fuse blocks. It's just such a compact way. That's a fuse, 50 amp fuse. It runs to the Anderson plug on the front. I just think that that's a brilliant way to have that on the battery like that. This one here runs to the back of the car. Now remember, this one here is connected to this battery, but it's disconnected, so that's not live anymore. Park him over to the side there. Just take that off. Make it easy for me to get to all of that. So it's the old tie down. Right there is the old faithful grip well from Bunnings. Don't need that anymore. This battery out. Let's pull that old carrier out like that. So you can see here what we were dealing with out on the side of the road, and to take this out you got 3 bolts, 12mm, quick and easy. Got our 12mm here. They're all the same length, okay? So it doesn't matter which one they go back into. That's it. Push them over there. This little 10mm bugger down here. And that's just the edge of this fuse block that bolts into here. You can really see how this thing is not a picture of health, and that's the metal eyelet, the insert that they put in there. It's good in theory, but at the end of the day you've got this, and it's not over tightening. I didn't over tighten it. It's just the loads that are on that eyelet as you're going over dirt roads and things, it just pulls through. Simple as that. There's the two side by side. Perfect. Let's see if the battery will fit. Okay. There's a tray going back in here. Just making sure we line everything up. Before we put the big heavy battery back in. There we go. There we go. Job done.